Hello and welcome. My name is Elizabeth Grief and I'm here to talk to you today about my WDD231 Final project. This is a school project that I had to complete for the WDD231 term. Now, up on my screen you can see I have my final project loaded into a web page. It is Mythomagic. I do not claim the name. And yes, so today I need to speak about two specific requirements in the JavaScript, those being JSON or the APIs and data management, and the async and await functions. Now, as I slipped up earlier, I used the JSON files. I used the fetch API for my creatures. So let's view this. There are multiple ways you can get into the creatures file, the creatures page, but I would like to go through the pantheons here. We have multiple pantheons, but I would like to view the Egyptian creatures. So here we have it. Here are five creatures, 5 cards of my creatures. Now, every single card that I have, we can look at all of them. Give them a second to load. Every single card that I have here is populated using a JSON file. I save the images, the names, and all of the information, the statistics, within the JSON file and call it using my creatures file, my creatures JavaScript. Now let me return home so that I can show you my deity of the day. This is where I use the async function. I use the async function to load my deities. I have a try and catch block to ensure that I don't have a broken website for a minor interruption within my JavaScript. This deity of the day loads every 24 hours, so it is actually of the day. It loads in South African time, or at least that's as far as I'm able to get. I do not have it so that I can show you, but it does load. I've been able to test as I've been working on my project here. Everything is once again loaded through a JSON file, but it is all grabbed through an async function. I believe I titled it Load Deities, as it loads my deity of the day. Yeah, this is loaded from JSON and it uses the try and catch. If it catches an error, it simply returns a blank deity. As there is nothing to show. It should say just failed to load deities or something like that. Okay. I believe that is all that was required for me to speak about. But I use these JSON files in 2 separate places, my creatures and my deities. Okay. Thank you